Assalamu alaikum. This is Sadia Khurram from SLS Montessori and High School. The topic that I am going to present is prime and composite numbers, and exercise number 2B is question number 4 and 5. Let's have a quick recap of the topic. What are prime numbers? A prime number has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Like if we take number 2 and find out its factors are 1 and 2. So we will say that 2 is a prime number because it is having just two factors, number 1 and the number itself. Then let's take one more example, number 11. Find its factors. Its factors are 1 and 11. So 11 is also a prime number. What is a composite number? Number that have three or more different factors that are called composite numbers. For example, 6. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So it is having more than two factors. So it is a composite number. The number 24, it is having factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. It is also having more than two factors. So 24 is also a composite number. Now let's solve exercise number 2B. It is on page number 28, question number 4 and 5. First we will solve its question number 4. Question number 4 is check whether the numbers given in the table below are prime or composite. Write P for each prime number and C for each composite number. So these are the parts of this question. First of all, we will solve its A part. A part is 15. We will see how many factors of 15 are there. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. It is having 4 factors. So it is a composite number. I will write C in the box. Then B part is 31. 31 is having just two factors, 1 and 31. So it is a prime number. So I will write P in the box. Then number 24, it is having many factors. It is having more than two factors like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So it is a composite number. Then number 21. 21 is having four factors, 1, 3, 7 and 21. So it is also a composite number. Then check number 32. 32, it is having more than two factors. It comes in the table of 1, 2, then 16 and then 32. So it is also a composite number. Then number 25, it is having three factors, 1, 5 and 25. So it is also a composite number. Then number 25, 29, it is having just two factors, 1 and 29. So it is also a prime number. Then number 3, it is having just two factors, 1 and 3. It is also a prime number. Then 37, 37 is also having just two factors, 1 and 37. It is a prime number. Then 17, 17 again is a prime number because it's having just two factors, 1 and 17. Then number 45, it is having four factors, 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. It is having more than two factors, so it is also a composite number. Then number 11, it is having two factors, so it is a prime number. Number 18, it is having factors 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18, means more than two factors, so it is also a composite number. Then 33, it is also having more than two factors, 1, 3, 11 and 13, so it is a composite number. Then number 25, again, it is again having more than two factors, 1, 5 and 25. So it is also a composite number. Then 54. 54 is again a composite number because it is having more than two factors. Then 35. It is also having more than two factors. It is a composite number. Then number 83. 83 is a prime number because it is having just two factors, 1 and 83. Then 57 is a composite number because it is also divisible by 3. It is having more than 2 factors. Then number 41 is a prime number because it is having just 2 factors, 1 and 41. Let's have a quick recap of the topic co-prime numbers. What are co-prime numbers? Two numbers which have only one as their common factor are called co-prime numbers. Let's have an example. We want to find out that are 9 and 16 co-prime numbers. First we will find out the factors of 9. Factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Do they have any common in them? Common factor in them? Yes, it is 1. So common factor is 1. So 9 and 16 are co-prime numbers. Similarly, we will solve question number 5. Which of the following are co-prime numbers? Its A part is 3 and 5, B part is 31 and 62, C part is 4 and 9, D part is 14 and 25, E part is 36 and 49, F part is 72 and 55, G part is 40 and 4, and H part is 5 and 10. So we are going to start from its A part, 3 and 5. Let's do it. Let's have a quick recap of the topic co-prime numbers. Factors of 3 will be 1 and 3. Factors of 5 are 1 and 5. So what is common in them? Just 1. So their common factor is 1. So we will say that 3 and 5 are co-prime numbers as they just have one common factor in them and that is number 1. Let's do its B part, 31 and 62. First find out the factors of 31. Factors of 31 are 1 and 31. Factors of 62 are 1, 2, 31 and 62. Do they have any common factors in them? Yes, number 1 is common and 31 is also common in them. So they have two common factors, 1 and 31. So we will say that 31 and 62 are not co-prime numbers. Now let's solve with C part, 4 and 9. First find out the factors of 4. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Then find out the factors of 9. Factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Now see what is common factor in them? Just 1. So their common factor is just 1. So we will say that 4 and 9 are co-prime numbers. Let's solve its D part. D part is 14 and 25. First find out the factors of 14. Factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. Factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. So what is common in them? Just 1. So they just have one common factor. So we will say that 14 and 25 are co-prime numbers. Let's solve its E part. E part is 36 and 49. So first of all, I will find the factors of 36. Factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. And factors of 49 are 1, 7 and 49. So what is the common factor in them? Just 1. So we will say that 36 and 49 are co-prime numbers. Let's do its F part. F part is 72 and 55. First, I will find out the factors of 72. Factors of 72 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36 and 72. And factors of 55 are 1, 5, 11 and 55. What is common factor in them? Just 1. So we will say that 72 and 55 are co-prime numbers. Then let's do its G part. G part is 40 and 4. First find out the factors of 40. Factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. And factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. So what is common in them? 1, 2 and 4. So they are having 3 common factors, 1, 2 and 4. So can we say them co-prime numbers? No. 40 and 4 are not co-prime numbers. Now let's do its last part, H part, 5 and 10. Factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Factors of 10 are 1, 2 and 5. So let's find out the common factors. Just 1 is common and 5 is also common in them. So there are 2 common factors, 1 and 5. So 5 and 10 are co-prime numbers. So thank you so much.